Hello, in front of me I've got Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you cover 1 strategy in pass defense. Firstly, let's go to skill trainer and pass defense. Select cover 1. Cover 1 is man-to-man defense used for stopping the run and short throws. It also provides deep support with the free safety and extra defender to blitz, play zone, or spy the quarterback. How successfully your man-to-man coverage is depends on the personal matchups. Pull up Coach Cam with RT to help evaluate. If matchup advantages are present, cover 1 can bottle up short passing offenses and leave an extra man for coverage or bringing pressure. Cover the target, receiving threat as indicated by the coverage link, and hold offense to minimal yards.
Ready? Hut.
If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.